Hey everybody, this is the first and probably the last of my Packing While Naked series. Trust me, you won't see any more than you see now. But I did want to show you a few tips that I have for packing that I use. One is this bag of extra cables that I keep. I have a second of virtually every cable that I use for powering up my electronics, because if you lose, say, this power supply, then you're in trouble, because you need to be able to use your phone and your laptop and Wi-Fi to find hotels and restaurants and buy taxis and Ubers and everything else. So always pack extras of those. I only bring 2 pairs of shoes, one that serve as sandals, and then the others that I keep, these are slip-ons that are great for going through TSA, easy on, easy off. And I stuff my underwear and socks and my microphone for my podcast in there that uses less space. These food bars, which are great because you never know when you're going to be hungry and you're not going to know where to go to eat. And then finally, these vacuum bags that I've talked about before, which are great. They shrink down things that you probably will need, like this black jacket that I used in DC when I left because it was cold there, and a sweater, but here it's warm, so I don't need these things until later. And you put them in these vacuum bags and they take up a third of the space. So really easy to keep everything in one bag, which is essential if you're traveling light and fast like I like to. And one of the first questions an airline will ask you is, are you checking bags if something goes wrong, if you have to catch a different flight or whatever? And the answer for me is always no. And they're like, good. Okay, so tips from the naked guy. See you on the road.
Go Mobile is a production of Dance Past Sunset, my podcast and blog on ways older adults can enjoy peak life experiences well into and even past their sunset years. Go Mobile is for people like me who are culturally curious, environmentally sensitive, and on a budget. So if you like to travel like I do, then subscribe to this channel and keep an eye out for related news on my Facebook page, Dance Past Sunset, or at dancepastsunset.com. And thanks for watching.